Hi, Kara Sheftel with Boston Document Systems. Sometimes I get asked, Kara, why is my Canon copier printing lines? I'm so glad you asked. Let me tell you about it. The first thing that you want to check is your toner levels. A lot of times, if you don't have enough toner in your device, then it doesn't have enough to create your full image, which will display lines on your prints. If that isn't the case, you're going to want to go to the next step. If you happen to be printing for a desktop publishing application, chances are you have a lot of layers. Sometimes a hidden line or a hidden box can create an image that happens behind some of the other images on your print. So you're going to want to clean up that file. If that's not what you're using, then let's go to the next step. The last two steps require a certified technician. You're going to call the number on your device and request a service call. A certified technician will come out and they're going to start by cleaning your device. You never want to clean your device on your own when we're talking about the internal components. Wiping a screen down or wiping the glass down to make sure that your scans are clean is one thing, but anytime you have to start flipping knobs to clean your device, you want to call a certified technician. If that's not the issue, then they're going to hit the last step, which is to replace your drums. Drums on copier machines can decay over time and they can get nicks or scratches, which will build lines on your page. Certified technician will fix that part or replace it and you'll be up and printing in no time. For more information about your Canon copiers, you can reach us at BDS DOC or like and follow this channel.